Alright, so a big expensive clock is not working. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show you the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so we have this big expensive clock. And the thing with this clock is that the engine is not working. Right, the timepiece is not working. Right, and this is a very big expensive clock. And the person don't want to throw away this. Right, they say they want to repair. So I have the part here. Right, so this is the problem. This so this is the old one, this one gone, and this is the new one. So I replace a new one. Right. So here what you have to do now. You need two tools for this. You need a Phillips screwdriver, a small one, and a pliers. Right, so it have some screws in the back. It have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws in the back. Right, so first thing you have to remove all 6 screws in the back that hold the glass and the frame in front. To get to the engine, whenever you're doing this repair, right, you have to make sure you have something below this, something soft, because you don't want the glass to break. So make sure you have something soft below the clock. Right, so all 6 screws removed. Now you raise it up, you lift it up, and you remove the glass and the glass frame. Right, you rest this aside. Now you have to remove the hands. The first hand is the second hand, and now you have to be very careful whenever you're moving this, because these hands are very thin and soft. They can bend or break. So you put the 2 fingers there and I raise up. Alright, so this is one. The rest is aside. The minute hand. And the hour hand. Right, so whenever I'm moving this, you don't want to hold here and pull it up because it can bend or break. You just be careful with the 2 fingers and raise. Now this is the engine, and it have a nut that hold on the engine, so you have to remove that pliers. And remove the engine. Right, so this is the old engine and this is the new one. Alright, so you're installing the nut that hold the engine. Take your pliers and tighten it. Alright, so that's tightened. Now the next step now is to put on back the hand. So sometimes the hand will be too high and too low. It'll be touching on each other. So sometimes I press it down or up to adjust it. So it wouldn't touch. Alright, so this one look like it touching. So I'll raise this whole thing. Alright, now this second hand. So can you see not touching? Alright, so there's enough space. Alright, so everything working good. Now put on the glass back on. Now whenever I put on the glass, you make sure it rests on the groove, whatever inner groove. So you rest the glass. You fit it in. Alright, so it's inside the groove. Alright, so now it had 2 pins on this side stick out. You'll put 2 holes. You line up with 2 pins with 2 holes. Top and bottom. Alright, so next step you have to hold the glass and the frame for the glass. And now you try and catch at least 2 screws holding the clock in this position, because you cannot flip the clock. If you flip the clock, the glass and the glass frame will come out. So you catch at least 2 screws. One on top and one on the bottom. Now that two screws up that hold the glass and the glass frame, you can flip it now and screw up the rest of the screws. Alright, so all the screws up. Now insert the battery. And you can see it working. So now you know how to change that engine in your expensive big clock and keep it working again. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.